Yep, I forgot. I'm recording a bit late because I forgot. So calm down. Shit, we barely made it to the gates anyway. Oh no, fuck. Oh fuck, that was fucking tight. Got the secret weapons.
Alright, you can pick whatever weapon you want.
I want.
It's the one I broke, but
Good enough. Wait, hold up. Today.
Today we are going to the gas station.
Yep.
But now we got a little trickier, so we gotta leave a little early. Destination is all the way over there, the farmland.
The farmland. Oh, we gotta make sure if there's any hobos, we gotta kill them.
We probably need to stash this before we go to the fucking gas station. That's
Yeah.
I think we're robbing them.
What were sticks? Okay, put that.
My kind of deadly.
Alright, switch hands. This is better with my right. Just...
It's like that.
Back to farmland. This is like, yeah, it's part 5 and thing, yeah. Part 5, part 4, maybe, no.
I might need to stash this for everyone to
Yeah.
gas station. What if Miss Lucker pulls up on us here?
Wait, what if it, are you sure it was even open last time?
Did we turn the wrong way?
Oh, no, it's right here.
You know I cut through the forest.
Huh?
Oh, half acre of grass.
Yeah, I remember, wait, what?
And I went to go civilized way.
Oh, wait, no, it's right over there.
I don't think we're going that way. Crap, come on.
That way.
Like Grim Reaper and shit. Just,
Yeah.
get them right in the back. Ugh. What if we actually murder someone? What are we gonna fucking do?
Gotta hide the body.
Delete the videos?
Delete the video. No, it's not.
Or
Oh, and we still gotta go on the highway. We still gotta go back to.
yo, they're probably gonna get like a piece of stick stuck in their throat. Just I feel like I can picture like me stabbing them and like it getting stuck and then just me just pulling their throat out. Like some Assassin's Creed shit.
Oh yeah, there's a relic right there. Just kind of stepped on it.
Eating this shit on a stick? Ooh.
Oh shit.
There's a stump.
Stumpy dumpy.
We gotta get this thing.
Stumpy dumpy. I feel like it's gonna be at the point where we don't even need relics. I already know the way.
I know. No, but like, shouldn't even really just get the hobo gonna go.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I really kind of liked the video. Said we're gonna go through there next time, but gas station.
Oh, fuck. Almost fell. Yeah. Oh wait, no. Next video said we're gonna go on the highway.
Watch them be like, aren't you guys supposed to be in school? Watch it.
We are in school.
Alright, what are you gonna do with the camera like when we go to the store?
I don't know.
Hide it?
Yeah.
Or you gotta like hold it, like act like you're using it on your phone?
Maybe.
We're gonna drop the sticks before we're going to the store.
Yeah, I know. We're okay.
Or probably like a little bit before we go in there.
Because then we're gonna be the hobos with the sticks trying to rob them.
Yo, what do we do if Lucker comes here? We run? Once she sees us, we can't really run.
Yeah. Kind of just have to get in the back of her van.
And I was like, ow! Now Sergeant Ron ditching you.
Oh, there's the trail that you put in the little line.
Yep. Gotta remember that. See if Mr. O catches on.
Maybe. He's getting close to us though.
Yeah. We might have to take a break tomorrow.
Maybe.
Well, tomorrow we're going to see Tiggy Wiggy.
Yep.
Is he gonna come with us?
I don't
Take him
know.
here?
Let's just talk to him on PlayStation today. We'll see.
Well, I'm not gonna be on to him.
I'll talk to him then.
Maybe. think he really needs to get a phone.
Honestly.
He was like, wait, they really said he's not responsible?
Yeah.
That's kind of fucked up. Like, how dumb is he? Like, not that dumb, right?
It's pretty retarded, to be honest. Oh, there we go. Back to Miss Looker's cabin.
Yep. You guys see that little squirrel right there?
That's her pet squirrel.
Oh shit, we can probably pick up the stick.
What's the? Oh wait.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we fucking threw the stick.
I should have left it on his back.
Well, we forgot. It's fine. You can do a wield.
Oh shit. Hey.
Shit.
What's up, Big Chungus? There's 2 cars.
Gotta lay low.
What are they doing here? I think we got a stash of 6 here. Should we hide the 6? What? Should we hide the 6 here?
Hide the sticks here. Ow. I don't know. Are they like right there?
Yeah. What do you want to do by the fence? What do you want to do?
I don't know. You guess, remember last time we went in front of those other people? Or like those 3 construction men? They didn't care.
What if they actually try fucking us up? What would they actually try?
I don't know. Like, what if they say, like, get in the car?
Yeah, what are we gonna do? Run?
Yeah. Nothing else we could do. What, fight them?
Run?
You might have to if it comes to it.
Pickaxe? You're holding it wrong, bud.
Oh, like that? The other way? No.
So that's why. That's supposed to be sharper. Like, the back piece, that's the part that broke off. It's supposed to be like this.
I don't know. Maybe.
It's like me holding this one like this.
Oh, shit. Wait, was it back in Firmland?
Huh?
I said, was it back in Firmland?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Like, I do, but then I don't.
Hey, where's the fence at? Farmland.
Our hometown.
It should be right here somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, that's you. It's all looking for.
I don't know.
Yo, where the fuck is the fence?
Oh, it's right there.
Right.
I see it. Yeah.
I'm gonna screw it there for crap.
Perhaps. Oh, wait, no, it wasn't. I remember we had a clear path straight. That shit broke down.
There it is.
Oh, yeah, this street definitely wasn't here last time. Firmland, boys. Fuck. My backpack got caught.
We're gonna fast it up before we go into the store.
I don't know, probably just right by.
I think you can by the gate. You know the one to go into?
Yeah.
I ain't trying to get like him call the cops like really asking teenagers trying to rob us.
Yeah. Robbery dobbery.
Oh, those two. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
You guys see this fucking foot? It's just powerful as fuck. It's like snatching someone's fucking neck.
Yeah. I wish I haven't said we're like
Let's go off the
we're telling you like we're finna about to kill somebody if a hobo comes. We ain't fucking with that.
I'm gonna pass by these guys.
Yep.
Should we drop them right here?
Right here?
Yeah, I feel like they're gonna call school if they see this shit.
Maybe. Just right here. On the pathway. Relics. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess.
That's like you're good with.
Yep. Stairs can't go up behind there.
Act like you're on your phone.
Yeah. Just actually put up. Oh yeah, it's right here, isn't it? Are you sure it was open? I remember, oh, that gate's open now. That's what I'm saying, like, what's the logical though?
Yeah, clip your nose like the beginning of the school year.
Oh, okay, it would have been like 5 feet long. If I did. You guys remember this? Yep. We're officially out. Are you sure this is open? We can even buy something? Looks close to me, maybe.
What's not enough food?
Get ran over right now? What? What do you mean keep on walking? This place? This looks
Yo, I
close.
saw a pop house, bro.
Yeah, private property.
Maybe we should do something.
Oh, right here? Oh shit.
Period.
Boys, we're out here at Chevron, right? Chevron? Yeah. Alright, I want to put it down. You're just gonna buy some shit? No, I don't even know if I want it. I don't know. I'll probably guess the same thing you did. Fuck. I take this one. Yikes, my dudes.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks. So we did it. Oh, we have to head back to school and have the car.
We should say, look guys, we went to fucking chevron.
Look at what the fuck chevron. Alright, going this way?
Yeah, why we're not gonna go back?
Yes, sir. That's the gas station once in. I think I kind of zoomed in.
Do you think we should come back here and just buy some shit?
Yeah, we do it every day. Now, if I had my tahini, I'd break these really good. Man. You see a car parking in front of the gate, we have to run, or we have to hide. Gotta go to all these loops. It's only been 15 minutes. Alright, time to go. Yep.
Yikers, buds.
Yikers.
Yikers.
Car's pulling out.
Going out.
Okay.
Out.
You have to be very careful here.
I guess I had the chips. They can't do anything. No loops.
You are you. Ah, shit, son, bit me on the leg. Probably got a peek up from all the running.
Yeah.
All the walking in it.
Gonna eat them right now.
What the fuck, that shit?
It's like a fucking beagle. Look how good that looks.
Here. We can go to the gate.
Alright. Got mine. So we're just gonna pull up back to school if we're talking. Alright, bet.
We have to. We did tips. Where'd you proof?
The chips. Fuck. Now we really know how the other kids do it. Sit.
Yo, knock it off your bucket list. You actually did school.
Oh, shit.
It just shows Mr. O is a bad teacher. I think we should post this after the school year.
Honest.
Cause like he's not gonna be here next year, so we won't get fired right away.
Yep. What if he comes back and you're like, oh, fired?
It was 6.
Huh?
I thought that was a 6 right now.
Oh shit. Oh, they're right there.
Oh, how am I gonna record?
You want me to?
Like just like.
I put mine in the bag. Hold up. Wait, hold up.
Sorry. What some kids pull up again?
Yeah. Bro, this is actually the fucking like underground railroad. Next thing you know, we're gonna start showing people where to go. Like, yeah, that way. Go there.
We're bringing cheese tomorrow?
I don't know.
We should. In Deja. If she wants to, so.
Yeah.
I don't understand why she doesn't want to go. We're not getting in trouble. I don't want to jinx you. Somebody would sit in there.
Never mind. Sorry.
Where could we going?
We can
That
just
way?
Or this way. Well, I don't know. Remember, we can't be noticed. Like, it can't like seem like we're coming back from over here.
So we have to go that way.
Yeah, because would it seem to be more noticeable if we went that way? We're like, oh, where'd you guys go? Yeah.
That's all the TJ streams we come out with.
Yeah.
Now we know when Ditch Day comes up, we know where Ditch is from.
Yep. Know the pathways. We're on the Oregon Trail.
Yo, we should actually plan for Ditch Day. The whole group. I mean, if they want to, if they're down.
I mean, I don't think Kiona's gonna do it.
Deja is like unsure.
He's like, like maybe 50-50.
She'll go into peer pressure.
Where do we go again? Right. Yeah. And I wonder, cause remember two kids came back with food. We're like, oh, it's over there.
Pop Jibbles.
Yep. I wonder what Papa Cello's actually is, though.
Yeah.
We will find out one of these days by randomly, or just exploring. Shit, man. See, I have
I'm trying to have
a lot of time.
Alright. Here's still. Probably take a little break from here. You need chips too.
Some chips, I guess. You know, I have meals.
These are the shits that are gonna kill me.
Mm-hmm. High schooler dies by chips. Fuck. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be here on Friday.
What?
Getting all four of my wisdom teeth pulled out.
Really?
My brother did yesterday.
Dude?
Yeah.
That hurts.
My dad was like, yeah, your turn next on Friday, bud. I still, what are you doing? Ball?
Is it bouncy ball?
An old ass bouncy ball. That was nasty though.
It is. It's like how.
It is legit an old ass bouncy ball. That fact. This is the life, boys.
Yeah, I think I'm a bad influence. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, what else are we gonna do? I mean, I guess other than playing ball, what are we gonna watch him build the fucking our gym? I mean, we're coming back. It's not like we're like, you know, gone.
But did you watch from the first video? Do you see how your mood changes from like nervous to actually wanting to do it?
Yeah. That's true.
Feels great.
Shit.
Honestly, think I should have bought something to drink.
Maybe. Oh.
I don't know the cool watch.
And yeah, and you can also see how I'm not looking at the ground anymore. I'm mostly like this now. I have learned.
here. You're probably learning how to jump a fence.
Border toy.
Oh,
Oh. We didn't even see this.
trail.
Yeah. Actually, wait, no, we did. Just memory loss.
I wonder if anything actually cool ever happened in school.
I'm not.
We never learned anything in school about
Other than the, you
like
know.
Cesar Chavez shit.
Yeah.
Actually, that wasn't even in Marina. That was in Salinas. Mm. When is Marina gonna do something great?
I don't know.
Or someone like mow this trail or something?
Maybe.
Mr. Bell. What if like we see Mr. Bell like crying behind a tree all
Yeah.
drunk?
Yeah. Is that what up, boys? Oh, fuck no. Oh, drunk and shit.
You guys want to play with my toys?
Oh, God. Shortcut?
What?
Said shortcut? This is not the right way.
I know it's not. We're gonna do it, Great nature.
Yeah.
Get this
Oh.
view. Yeah, you hear that clapper? Imagine if that was your knee.
Oh, fuck.
I'm not very like handy with my left hand.
Oh.
Let him hold like this. Oh no, you don't. When are they gonna put all houses?
I know, right?
Ninja Mice need to do mosquitoes. Do you sure as soon as you come working place?
Yep. Oh, fuck.
Oh, we gotta grab the stick.
Oh, whatever.
Who wants to finish?
Yeah. One day, we'll be back there at the cabin.
Should we build a cabin?
Should we build a cabin?
Yeah. Why not? We're here all like 4 years anyways.
Let's start working on it.
Why not? We've seen like watch the videos and shit. It's not hard.
How to build
How hard
a
can it be?
cabin.
Actually, that's actually really hard. We gotta like build a hut.
Yeah.
We're gonna retake it here in a couple years. Like that would be a good place for a cabin.
Yeah, I guess so. Dabber dabber.
TV shall be here in a couple years. Or maybe
Need a shower, we'll show 'em the old Papa Jimbo way. Oh, fuck. Back
Can
in
you
the
imagine
day.
when you actually have a free period?
Oh, let me do this shit. Yep.
I feel like if I have a free period, I'm gonna do it like right before I have lunch.
Yeah.
Imagine if I had PE, imagine if I had lunch, imagine if I had my free period, then I had PE, then I had lunch. Oh! Good job. So we're gonna go back to Yona or stay here?
You wanna go back to the Yeah. Nothing else to do.
Yeah, okay. That's 6.
Take it one day. It'll be you getting these sticks from the ancestors.
What the hell? Did you put that?
Nah.
No, record that.
H.
Yeah, look at it, read it. Hey, record that. Fuck, we didn't put that there.
Yeah, maybe because they do exactly what the weapons.
Footsteps. Wait. Who has a shoe? Let me see your shoes. Take a step. Take a step? Yeah, it's not you. Whose footprints are these?
Not yours.
Like JD or something. Why you put an H though?
I don't know. Oh.
Hell? Hero? I don't know. Hex?
Maybe it's for hillbilly. Came back with a bag of chips.
Where's the teacher?
I want to say the bag should be like $1.50 because like half of it was literally fucking air.
You know, price of this one of the kids.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
You know, balls just to pull up to like to the school, just like $30, just flexing on everybody.
Yeah.
How long have you been saving up?
Not that long actually. If I started earlier, I would have 500.
That's like someone else's bag.
Maybe.
It looks like a bag.
Yeah. This is the end, boys. Usually we record Kiona, but no.